Are you ready to make your next project magical? Well, find the perfect sound with just a few clicks. Fast downloads for unlimited possibilities. Save your faves to come back for more. Browse by category, by pack, by sample. By God, it's all here and it's at your command. Are you ready to level up your sound? Cloud Vault. Epic stock media. Epic sounds for epic creators.
Hey there everyone, welcome to another Epic Stock Media Cloud Vault tutorial video. My name is DJ, and today I'm here to help explain a few keyboard shortcuts that are available within the Cloud Vault to help you navigate everything with more efficiency. So first things first, you want to have a query loaded, and on the results page for today, we are using Metallic Sword Shings as kind of our sample results. And the first set of keyboard shortcuts you're going to want to be familiar with is audio player controls. The first of which is the Spacebar, which allows you to play or pause your audio when having one selected. So I have one currently selected. I click Spacebar and it plays. I click it again and pause it halfway through. Next is some more navigational stuff. You can use the arrow up or arrow right and arrow down key, to go to the next sample on the list, so that will move everything down. Then you can also use arrow left or arrow up to go back to the previous sample. Next are a couple of single key uses. The first one is F, which allows you to toggle a sample as a favorite by populating the little heart over on the right side of the screen. Next is the L key, which allows you to add a sound to a list. So let's say I like the sound a lot and I want to add it to my list. I can click the L key and it will pop up this window that allows me to create a new list or add the sound to an existing list. It is important to note that with the favorite and list keyboard shortcuts, you do need to be logged into an account in order to use them. The next set of keyboard shortcuts that is important to know are search and navigational related shortcuts, first of which being the / key, which allows you to jump back into the search bar and type within it from anywhere on the page. So we are, a little bit down the page, halfway down, I can click the / bar and it will allow me to start typing back in the search bar. The next keyboard shortcut is the P key, which pops out the filters panel, allowing you to access all of the filters, and you can click it again to close it. For specific filters, you can use Shift and a combination of several keys, the first being Shift plus L at the same time, will toggle looped sounds only, so sounds that play on a loop, and you can click Shift L again to close. Like Shift L, you can do Shift O to toggle one shot only sounds and click it again to toggle that off, and Shift F to toggle free only sound effects and hit it again to toggle off. You can also use the escape key to clear current searches or close open tabs. With the search and navigation, the last keyboard shortcut is Shift plus up arrow and Shift plus down arrow, which allows you to quickly scroll to the top or bottom of the page that you're on. So Shift plus down arrow brings me all the way down to the bottom. Shift plus up arrow brings me all the way to the top. Next is pagination controls, allowing you to jump through the pages if you don't want to scroll all the way to the bottom. To start, Control on Windows or Linux and Command on Mac OS plus arrow key right allows you to go to the next page from anywhere on your current page. Control or Command arrow key to the left allows you to go to the previous page. Let's say you want to jump way further down the list of pages. Control or Command 9 allows you to jump directly to the very last page within your search results, and Control or Command 1 allows you to jump back to the first page. A couple of tips regarding the shortcuts. All shortcuts are disabled when in input fields, search bars, or text areas. So if they are not working for whatever reason, check to make sure you are not currently in an input field. Audio player shortcuts only work when audio is playing or selected. So right now, nothing is selected, so the spacebar is not going to work. But if I have this one selected, it will allow me to click play or pause for the audio. All shortcuts also work across all browsers and OS systems. The only differentiator is with the Control and Command on Windows and Mac OS. All of the keyboard shortcuts that I just went over can be found just beneath the search bar right here, or on a separate page under support and documentation, where there's a plethora of helpful guides like the one I just went over, detailing exactly everything I just touched on. Thank you so much for visiting the Epic Stock Media Cloud Vault. My name is DJ, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one.